Hello, aka EMD Automotive with Paul. I've got a 356 here. They came out the other day, so we're just looking at the actual brakes. That was very loose, so the wheel hub was loose. So you can see, look at the actual metal shavings in there, because that was really loose on that, and then the wheel was going like that. So you can see all the leaks here. Actually, the hub lock, the seal here is leaking as well on both sides, and the handbrake wasn't connected on this car, so we're trying to sort out the handbrake problem. You can see all the metal shavings here from before. If you come across this one here is even worse. It's leaking. If you look through here, have a like that. See, it's just dripping down. Once we do it up, it gets tighter on that side there, and we'll stop the oil leak a little bit more. But actually, you're meant to replace everything, so oh, that was really close. Woo! No more fingers. That was lucky. Anyway, that was loose as well. Look at that. Again, pretty much hand tight. And if you go back in the car, let's strip down the actual. Look at that interior, how nice it is. Man, that's nice. Anyway, 356. So we come here and we can peel this back a little bit. See that cable there? I'm not sure if you can see it. See that? It's not connected to the actual handbrake lever there. So we're gonna connect that all up and two of the wheels to the right torque, and then we'll set it up and put a new split pin as well. So we'll show you part 2 when we're all done. But thanks for watching. This 356 is really nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Anyway, thanks for watching and please subscribe.